Hey everyone, what's going on? So if you're planning to earn a 7-figure side income online, you want to watch this video. What you see on screen is a couple of messages from my recent students who have used what I'm about to teach you right now in their own life. These are average people like me and you who don't know anything about online marketing and selling stuff online or online business at all, and they have made money, like crazy money, and this is like changing their life. So these are stuff that you see on screen. Again guys, what I'm about to teach you right now is gonna allow you to make that happen. All right, so what is this that we're talking about? So if you're planning to earn a 7-figure side income, you know, it's basically you started as a side income, and then when you're making enough money, obviously you quit your job and do this full time, and you know, basically become financially free, location freedom, time freedom, money freedom, right? All that good stuff. So what is this? How does this exactly work? So the first step that you gotta learn, the first thing you gotta learn is this business is so powerful. The crazy part about this business is that you don't need to actually own any products. You know, it's not like selling on Amazon or selling like retail stuff, or listing stuff on Craigslist, or you know, having your own e-commerce store or stuff like that, that millions of people are doing it, and most of them are not making any money really. So it's not like that. It's so powerful and yet so simple, and it's just absolutely amazing. It's going to be mind-blowing for you. So the thing is, big companies, billion-dollar companies, are actually looking for people like me and you to sell their products. Now you don't have to go to your friends or make videos online or become the next marketer or guru, anything like that. You can do this completely anonymous. All right, so what is this? The business I'm talking about that is going to help you to make that 7-figure side income for yourself is affiliate marketing. All right, so affiliate marketing is this. So let me actually put this right here. So what is affiliate marketing? So basically the way this works is that you promote someone else's product, a product that you haven't seen, you haven't touched, you don't know much about it, you just promote it using what I'm about to teach you right now, or in the next page, and you just sell that product and make commissions. For example, if that product is $100, you make a $7 commission, $70 commission on that. So that is your cut on the sell that you got. Okay, so that's affiliate marketing. Again, it's all online. You don't have to touch any products. You don't have to sell products online, like sell physical products online. It's such a powerful way to make money, and millions of people are doing this successfully and making a lot of money. I myself, I have 2 multi-million-dollar companies that are making over $500,000 a month doing the exact same thing. All right, so this is affiliate marketing. Remember that. So where do you find these products actually to promote, right? That's the next step. Where do you find them? You find them in affiliate networks. All right, so next one is affiliate networks. So these are websites like ClickBank, for example, or JVZoo, or Aversity, the very website you're on right now. Okay, we have an affiliate network also. So yeah, so these are affiliate networks. These are the website they register for free usually, and you go and you get your own special links, and you send traffic to these links. You send customers, basically. Traffic is customers, and when they buy, again, you make that commission. All right, so this is called affiliate networks. All right, so guys, by the way, there's just something I want to explain is that there's a lot of details into this. You know, there's a lot of details to each and every single one of these things, like how to find good products on these networks. A lot of small details that you gotta learn. You know, it's not hard, but you just have to learn it step by step the right way. So anytime if you're ready to learn all these things in detail, you can click the link under this video, or the button under this video. Basically, it's gonna take you to the next page where you can access the full training. All right, so just keep in mind guys, you can click the button under this video to access the full training. Just want to let you know. All right, so affiliate networks, that's how it works. All right, so now let's draw another thing that I want to teach you. All right, So how do you actually do this? How do you promote? How do you sell these products to earn these commissions? Now imagine, let's actually put this number up here. So let's actually put this right here. So imagine you want to make 7-figure a year, all right? So that would be, let's say if you're making $90,000 a month, that's $3,000 a day, right? So yeah, that's about $1 million a year. So 3,000 a day. So let's say that's your goal, okay? So I want to teach you something very important here, because I want you to understand a very important aspect of making a lot of money, because it's easy to make those, you know, small sales like 50 bucks, you know, 25 bucks, all that stuff is easy to make those sales, but I want you to think bigger, all right? So how does this work? So you get your affiliate link in Affiliate Networks, right? So you build a page, all right? You have a lot of text and content on this page. Again, I talk about all of these things, okay? All of these things in detail. If you click the button under this video, that's going to take you to the next page where you access the full training, okay? So this page is going to take people to a product that costs very, it costs almost nothing, like $3. All right, so this is a product. And you own this product, and I'm going to teach you how to create these front products, okay? So again, the point of this, okay, the point of having this front product is to build a list of customers. Okay, so list of customers. And when you have the list of customers, you sell affiliate products. See guys, this is the right way to sell affiliate products and make a lot of money online if you want to build your business. And again, I know this looks a little bit complicated, but it's really not that hard. All you got to do is just know exactly how to do everything step by step, and you know, you don't need any technical or marketing background really. You just need to know what to do. Everyone can do this, okay? And again, if you want to click the button under this video, that's going to take you to the next page where you learn all these things in detail. So yeah guys, this is the basic strategy. So guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I don't want to, to make this video 50 hours because there's a lot to explain. Every single one of these steps have a lot of details. For example, one thing I forgot to mention was that if you really want to make this much money online every single day, $3,000 a day, you need to focus on bigger sales. Okay, because if you're making $25, okay, per sale, think about how many sales you need to reach that $3,000 a day goal. That's a lot of sales. You need a lot of sales, right? But let's imagine you could make $1,000 per sale instead of making $25 per sale, right? There's a lot of aspects like high ticket, we call it, big ticket sales. So that's another aspect that you could add to your business to make big money very quick, okay? Because you want to get there as soon as possible. You don't want to waste years figuring this thing out. All right, so a lot of aspects that you're gonna learn in the next page. So click the button under this video to go to the next page. That's where I explain all these things in more detail and explain exactly how can you access this full training program that is going to teach you all these things in detail and teach you to build a business for yourself from the comfort of your bedroom, where you can make 7-figure a year or even more than that. You know, in my business it makes way more than that, but 7-figure is the place to start. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Click the button under this video to go to the next page. I'll see you over there.